Hi people, I just made a decision and I totally invite you right now to a workshop at the Easter weekend, next weekend, Saturday and Sunday in English. It is Easter, and the message that Jesus was actually bringing to the world was the message of I am. I am the way, I am the light, I am the truth. And to really bring everything in that feeling of I am, of the true I am. And in this feeling of the true I am, appreciate everything that wants to be seen in this light. Appreciate and love everything that is coming up and wants to be felt too, but in the true light of our consciousness. And this is really the core of what I am doing, of my work, to feel, not only to think, and then even to manifest something, if it is a word or if it is some action or some art or whatever, to really feel that wholeness and that this I am is absolutely in everything, that it is the essence of everything we perceive and everything we are and do. And I invite you from my heart to those 2 days, Saturday, Easter Saturday and Sunday next week. And I'll put every information under this video. It's really spontaneous right now, so the price will not be that high either, because it is really something I'm doing with my heart and out of fun. And yes, I just want to be in contact, because I've done a lot of editing work in the last weeks, so I really would appreciate, of course, and love to see your faces. It will be over Zoom, and you'll find the details under this video and on my website. You'll find the link to my website also under this video. And yes, maybe we see each other. I would love to connect with you and join with you, and have a nice time. Until then, see you, bye bye.